Master web development with SkillBakery. Hey everyone! Ready to level up your web dev skills? Introducing SkillBakery.com premium courses starting at just $6 or 500 rupees. Sign up today and learn in-demand skill sets. Unlock your potential today at SkillBakery.com.
Hello and welcome to this new series. In this one, we'll be learning how to build and deploy React Native apps with Expo EAS. Expo is an open source platform for building native mobile applications using JavaScript and React Native. It abstracts away much of the complexity involved in configuring and setting up a React Native project, allowing developers to focus on writing code and building features rather than dealing with platform-specific intricacies. You need to visit this website expo.dev and you can explore many other features like how you can create a new project using Expo, how it provides the fast refresh, file-based routing, TypeScript ready, and it also allows you to use any library, SDK, or you can write your own native code. You can invite your team members to review the code and run end-to-end tests, upgrade your PR reviews, and then you can create and submit app store ready builds. You will also get a dashboard to keep your team on track, and you can iterate your changes accordingly. So you can explore more about Expo over here, but what we'll do in this one is we'll be going ahead in our Visual Studio Code editor, and here you can see I've created a blank directory called Expo. Here, the first thing that we need to verify is that we have Node installed or not, and that we can do by typing this command node-v, and you see this version coming up. Ensure that you have even number major version installed on your machine. Once that's sorted, you can then go ahead and make use of the npx command, and it goes like npx, and then we say create expo-app, and here you can see it is suggesting you some name, but to explore it further you can just go ahead with the help command for now, and here when you do that it's going to list out what you need to do. So first thing, if the create expo app is not there in your system, then it's going to ask you to go ahead and install it. Let's do that first. So here I'll press Y and press enter. Once that's done, you'll notice you have these many options to make use of the create expo app, like npm, yarn, pnpm, and bun. I'll be going ahead with npm. So here npm, and then we'll say create expo-app. So when you press Y and move ahead, it asks you the following thing: what is your app named? So by default it's giving you the suggestion my-app. Let's call it as expo-app. So that's the name of your app, and then it's going to locate the project files, and it's going to extract the project files and install the dependencies that it requires. So here you can see we have the Expo app created, and here you can see when we explore this directory, now we have app, assets, components, constants, hooks, node modules, scripts, and some configuration files. Over here it says how you can run this project. So it says first of all go inside this directory that we have created, that's expo-app, and then run this command npm run android. So let's go ahead and try exploring these options. So here I'll be first of all doing cd, and then I'll be saying expo-app. So we go inside this, and now let's go ahead and say npm run android. Press enter, and here it has now started the Metro bundler, and you can see some files are being generated, and here it says no Android connected device found and no emulators could be started automatically. So the next thing that we can do is go ahead and try the web option over here. So we'll say npm run web, and here the project is now running in the browser. There we go, we have this page coming up, and here you have these options coming up: home and explore. On the home tab, you can see over here that we are getting these steps which says try it, and under that it says app/tabs/index.tsx. So you can go ahead and edit this file to see the changes, and you can further go ahead and explore tab over here to explore the following, like file-based routing. So it says this app has two screens, that's app/tabs index.tsx and app/tabs explore.tsx. Now the layout file sets up the tab navigator. Then we have the Android, iOS, and web support. So you can open this project on Android, iOS, and web. And under images, you can see that we have this for static images. You can use the @2x and 3x suffixes to provide files for different screen densities. Then we have custom fonts. So you can open up this underscore layout.tsx to see how to load custom fonts such as this one. Then we have the light and dark mode components. The use color scheme hook lets you inspect what the user's current color scheme is, and so you can adjust UI colors accordingly. For animations, this template includes an example of an animated component, and you can go over here under components, hellowave.tsx, to use the powerful ReactNative reanimated library to create a waving hand animation. So this is just a template that we have created using the npm create expo app command. And notice by default it provides you the TypeScript support, and that's what we will be using in this application.